morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, in the previous video you all have received the topic the sunshine and the shadows, that is the poem. I have explained you the poem and then I have solved the poem behind the grammar part also. Yes children, today we are with a new lesson. Yes, you all can open your textbook, that is page number 30. Yes, children, as you people know, you have seen many animals. Some animals are big, some animals are small. We have seen many animals like the animals which stay in the forest. They are called as what? Wild animals. And the animals we keep as pet, we call them as domestic animals. But there are some animals which are called wild animals, but also they are called as domestic animals also. Okay. We keep them as pet also and we can find them in the forest also. For example, elephant. Yes. Today we are going to learn the topic, the lesson about the elephant only, children. Yes. How did this elephant was lost and his parents were searching him, but he did not go back. How this happened, we are going to study in this story. The name of this story is what? Chotu's Journey. The name of this story is Chotu's Journey. This is Unit 9 and Lesson 9. Unit 9, Lesson 9, that is Chotu's Journey. The lesson is Chotu's Journey. Yes. Yes children, we will start the lesson now. You all can open page number 30 in your textbook. With this children, hold a pencil in your hand. Whichever words are very difficult, I will write them on the words on the board. And you have to underline the same word in your textbook. But only you understand when you keep the finger in your book. Hold the pencil also. Yes. One day, a baby elephant was born in a forest. One day what happened? There was a big forest and in that forest a baby elephant was born. The birth of the baby elephant. Yes. You keep some animals as a pet in your home, children. They too give the young ones, na? Yes. They too give birth to the young ones. Same like that way only. In the forest, the baby elephant was born. Yes, one elephant gave birth to the small baby elephant. Yes, children. He was really tiny. His mother, Rani, named him Chotu. And that elephant was so small. When it was born, the elephant was very small and it was a tiny elephant. It was very tiny, means it was very small elephant. His mother, yes, the mother who gave birth to that elephant. Yes, she is called a mother. And the name of that mother was what? Rani. What was the name of that mother? Rani. The name of the mother was what, children, here? Rani. And the mother named that small elephant as what? Chotu. She named the small elephant as Chotu. Underline these two words, children. Yes. What we learned in this small stanza? We learned that there was one elephant in the forest and that elephant, it gave birth to the small tiny elephant. And the mother elephant named that elephant as a Chotu. Yes. She named that elephant as a Chotu. small, all his brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts took good care of him. They all made sure that he was never left alone. So here, Chotu was very small children. When that elephant had born, the small elephant, the mother elephant gave birth to the baby elephant. And name of the baby elephant was what? Chotu. A baby elephant in hesari enittu? Chotu. So that Chotu was very small. That elephant was very small. It was not big. It was very small elephant. All his brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts took care of him. So that elephant was having many brothers, sisters, uncles and aunts, and all together they were taking care of this Chotu elephant, this small and very tiny elephant. They all made sure that he was never left alone. Yes, the Chotu elephants, brothers, sisters, uncles and aunts, they used to take care to good that they used to always think that this elephant, this Chotu elephant should never be alone. It should not be alone. One or the other elephant was always with that Chotu. They never left that elephant alone. Yes, children. Even you people have relations now. Even you have a brother, you have a sister, you have an uncle, you have an auntie, you have a grandpa, grandma. Yes or no? Many people you have in your home, in your family. When mummy papa is not there in the home, then who will take care of you? Your grandpa, your grandmother, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your auntie. Yes or no? Same like that also. Animals also, they have their parents. Yes? They have their parents like mother elephant, father elephant. Yes or no? Yes. So, the uncles, the aunts, the brothers and sisters, they used to take very good care of the Chotu. They used to think we should not leave him alone. One or the other elephant was with that Chotu always. The Chotu was not left alone at all. ಆ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೋಟುನ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ನೆವರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ alone. Yes. However, one day he got lost. His family was going to the river to have a mud bath and drink water. Yes. One day, however, suddenly it happened that one day he had got lost. One day, what happened? The Chotu elephant, it got lost. Lost means what, children? Okay. Lost. Lost ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆಯುವುದು, ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುವುದು. Yes. One day the Chotu elephant got lost. His family was going to the river to take a mud bath. Family is who? The people with whom we stay in the house, we call them as our family. Same like that way only. The elephants also, they stay with their parents. So that is also their family. Yes, it is also their family. And these all family members, they were going for the river. Where they were going? They were going for the river for what? Mud bath. They were going for the river for the mud bath. Yes, they were going for the river to have a mud bath. Mud means what is mud? Mannu. Bath andre snana. So, moving here and there in the jungle, the body of the elephants becomes very dirty. Yes or no? It becomes very dirty. So, they were going to the river for what? To have a mud bath. They were going to the river to have the mud bath. They wanted to clean their body. whatever the dirt or the dust is on their body, they wanted to clean it by having a bath. Yes or no? So they were going to the river to have a mud bath and drink water, and even they used to drink the river water also. The river was very far. They had to cross many small brooks and thick clusters. Brooks. And clusters. Yes. So the river was very far away from the forest. Where the elephant used to stay, children? The elephant used to stay in the forest. And when they wanted to go for the bath, the river was very far away from the forest. There was more distance. So they had to cross many small brooks and the thick clusters of the tree to reach the river. Clusters means what, children? Cluster means the thing. We find the clusters. Cluster means gidada baddigalu. Yes. Blocks. Yes. There were many blocks. There were many clusters fallen in the forest. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. Yes. How the elephant walks? The elephant walks slowly. ಆನೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತದ? ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಅದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ? No. Why? Because it has a huge body and the elephant's body is very weight. So the elephant can't move fast. The elephant walks slowly. So going like that way, it has to cross many clusters and brooks in the forest to reach the river. Yes, there was a lots of distance between the forest and the river where the elephant has to come to take a bath. Then what happened there? Chotu felt hungry. He stopped to eat grass, and when he had eaten it, he spilled. He looked up. He could not see anyone. So going to the river to have the bath, because it was very far away from the forest. What was very far away, children? River. The river was very far away from the forest. What happened? When it wanted to go, then when the elephant was moving slowly, then the elephant felt very hungry. The elephant, it felt very hungry. Then what happened? He stopped to eat grass and when he had eaten his fill, he looked up. He could not see anyone. See. So when the elephant, it was going, suddenly it was feeling very hungry. And there the elephant saw one field. And there more grass had grown in that field, children. Near by the field, more grass had grown. And what the elephant did? The elephant stopped there only to eat something so that he can fill his stomach. The elephant wanted to eat something to fill his stomach. Then what happened? Then he stopped and as he had done his head down, the elephant had done the head down to eat all the grass. After filling his stomach, the elephant looked up. When the elephant looked up, it saw no one was there around the elephant. Nobody. The elephant had come with its parents. Yes or no? Mother elephant, father elephant, brother elephant, sister elephant, uncle's elephant, auntie's elephant. All the elephants were with that Chotu elephant. But when the Chotu felt very hungry, then the Chotu stopped near the field to eat some grass. Then once the Chotu elephant completed eating grass, then it raised his head up and it looked around it. No elephants were there. All the elephants had moved forward. He looked up, he could not see anyone. Yes, when he looked up after eating the grass, when his stomach was full, when the elephant looked up, he was not able to see anyone in front of him. He walked left, he walked right, he walked around and round the grassland, but he could not see his family. Chotu started to cry. Yes, children. Then the elephant, once it looked at the left side, then second it looked at the right side. Then the elephant went round and round. It was searching, where are my parents? Where is my mother? Where is my father? Where is my brother? Where is my sister? But the Chotu elephant, he did not found anyone around him. Then what happened? He looked, but he could not see his family. The elephant's family, no one was there. Everyone had moved forward and the elephant was busy in eating grass. So when after completing eating of grass, when it looked up, his all family members were not in front of him. Then the elephant, what did it? It got scared and it started crying. You people also, when you go with mummy, papa outside in the fair and all, suddenly mummy will be buying something, you leave the hand of mummy and you go forward. Mummy, papa can't learn the name. You start crying. Yes or no? Jora galatiri. Mummy illa, papa illa. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Same like that way only. Even this Chotu elephant, when it was eating the grass, then after completing of eating the grass, the elephant, it looked up. Yes, it looked up like this way. Then the elephant saw no one was there in front of him. Then the elephant got scared. Why? Because the elephant also was very small. Then the elephant got scared and the elephant started crying. What the elephant was doing? The elephant started crying. Started and crying. The elephant started crying. Underline these words, children. Then two campers saw him. They felt sorry for Chotu. They gently guided him to their camp. Then in search, it was searching for his parents, his mother, his father, his brother and sister. The elephant was searching. Hange ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ hange ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ. Then when it came little front, then the two campers saw him. They felt sorry for Chotu. The two campers. When you come little bit outside of the forest, children, then there will be a camp, and in that camp they will have a tent. They take care that these forest animals should not enter the city. Some people, they keep there. We call such people as campers. What we call? Campers. Because if forest animals start coming inside the city, then every day they will kill us and they will eat our flesh. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes or no? So there will be some people who will take care that the forest animals should not come out. The forest animals should not come out. Then what happened there? One day, the two campers, there were two men in the camp. Yes, and they saw this elephant, this Chotu elephant. Who saw? The two campers saw the Chotu elephant. They felt sorry for Chotu. Yes, and what happened? They felt sorry by seeing that Chotu was crying. Mummy is not there, Papa is not there. The Chotu was crying. Yes or no? For that, seeing that small elephant crying, the two campers, they felt very sorry. They felt very sorry for the elephant. ಆ ಇಬ್ರು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಅದು ಆನೆ ಅಳೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, they gently guided him to their camp. Then what they did? They said, We will take good care of you till your parents are found. You please come to our campus and stay with us. Yes, they gently guided. Gently andre they took very good, kindly. Gently they guided. Guided andre they said, you can stay with us. Yes, in the camp. Where? In the camp. Children, there nothing will be there in the camp. Only the tent. The people, they put the tent and they stay. Here you can see, children. Here I will show you. Yes. See here. See, this is called the tent, children. Yes, this is called as what? Tent. And Chotu was lost. The two campers, they guided Chotu and they took him to the camp, to their camp, children. Yes, here you can see now very clearly. This is called a tent, children. Yes, this is called what? A tent. Yes. So, then the two campers saw him. They felt sorry for Chotu. They gently guided him to their camp. Then they gently, what they did? They guided him to the camp. They said, you are alone. No one is there with you. And you are very small elephant. So, here we are having a camp. You come with us to the camp. Then what the animal did? We'll see now. Chotu followed them everywhere. He became their pet, but they would not keep Chotu with them forever. Then when the campers said to the Chotu, now you don't stay here, you stay with us in the tent, in the camp. Then Chotu, it went with the campers. Then wherever the campers were going for their work, everywhere Chotu was following them. Because it was very small animal. Yes. So it was, the Chotu was loving them lot. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆನೆನೂ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. It was moving with the campers wherever they used to go. He became their pet. Then even the campers also, the two men also started loving the elephant. Both of them, they started loving the elephant. But they could not keep Chotu with them forever. But there is a rule that we cannot keep the forest animals in the house, in the tent, without the permission of the government. Yes. So they were thinking, what we have to do for this Chotu? Where we have to leave this Chotu? Then they decided they could not keep Chotu with him forever. They don't want to keep the Chotu with them forever. They did not want to leave them alone in the forest also. ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So they were thinking what to do, where we have to leave alone. We can't leave alone Chotu. They were thinking because the elephant was so small. The Chotu elephant was so small, and they were thinking how we can leave this elephant alone. So what they did? We can't leave alone in the forest, they said, because one day they will be here in this camp, another day they will go somewhere for another camping. So they were thinking, this elephant is too lovely, this elephant is too good, but it is very small. We can't keep this elephant with us forever, and we can't leave it alone in the forest also. So what they did now? Thus began his long journey to the zoo. Chotu was led into a big truck. Then what happened? There began the journey. Yes, the journey of Chotu started from here now. The journey of Chotu started from here. What happened? Thus began his long journey to the zoo. Both the campers, the men, what they did? They took Chotu to the zoo. Zoo means what, children? Which place is this zoo? Which place? What is there in zoo? What are kept in the zoo, children? What is there? Yes, animals. We can find all the wild animals and even the pet animals also in the zoo, like lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, chimpanzee, elephants, and then different rabbits, many different colors of rabbits, cheetah, leopard, all different types of animals are found in Mysore Zoo. You can visit, once you go to Mysore, you visit the zoo, children. There you can find all different types of animals. They are kept for the people to visit. Whenever we have vacations, we visit different places. So zoo is also the place where we can visit and see the different types of animals. Yes? Yes, we can see them. We can see the different types of animals in the zoo, children. Yes. So these two campers, they thought that we will take this elephant to the zoo. Zoo is the place where animals are kept. Yes. Chotu was led into a big truck. Then what they did? They had a big truck, children. Yes. We can see here, this is the truck. Yes. This truck. So they had a big truck and they led the elephant in the truck, children. Here you can see. Yes. Here you can see, children. Chotu was led into a big truck. See, they had made the elephant to climb the truck. There you can see. There is a big truck and in that truck the elephant is sitting. It is standing with one of the man and he is called a camper. Yes. So, yeah. Chotu was led into a big truck. He was scared. Then what happened? When they made that elephant to sit in the truck, then Chotu, he became very scared. He got scared. Truck. I showed you what is truck, children. And then the elephant, it became very scared. Yes, the elephant, it scared ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹತ್ತಿಸಿ ಟ್ರಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂಥರ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯಿತು. It was in fear. It was getting scared. Why these people are making me to climb the truck? Why they made me to sit in the truck? Where they are taking me? What they are going to do for me? So the elephant was very much in scared. So what happened? He had never seen anything like this before. One camper sat in the back with him. After many hours on the road, the truck stopped and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. Yes, see, children, he had never seen anything like this before. Chotu was staying in the forest, children, with the parents, like mother elephant, father elephant, brother elephant, sister elephant. Yes, Chotu was staying in the forest with his family. So Chotu had never seen the truck and all. So when they made the Chotu to climb the truck and sit in the truck, the Chotu was very much scared. Yes, it was thinking, where they are taking me? Why they made me to climb in this truck? Then he had never seen anything like that. Chotu had never seen all these things. Chotu was not knowing what is this truck, where they are taking, what is this road. Nothing Chotu was knowing. One camper sat in back with him. There were two male children in the camp. Yes or no? And one camper, he sat with Chotu at the back in the truck only. Yes, one man was driving and one man, he sat backside with Chotu in the truck. After many hours on the road, the truck stopped and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. So once the journey started, the truck was going on moving for hours ago. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour hange ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ಗಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೇ ಇತ್ತು. Then the Chotu was very much tired sitting in the truck. Then once the truck stopped and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. Suddenly, after reaching to that place, the truck stopped there only. And when Chotu got down from the truck, then Chotu felt very happy. Why? Because he walked on the ground. Chotu started to walk on the ground. So Chotu was feeling very happy because hours ago the Chotu was sitting in the truck. There is no moving, no walking, just sitting in the truck. So the Chotu was getting bored. And once the truck stopped and Chotu got down from the truck, and he was very happy because he started to walk on the ground. Yes. But the next morning, he was again led into a boat, a very big boat, and before he could walk out, the boat's engine started with a loud horn. Yes. But the next morning, the Chotu got down from the truck and it was down on the ground. He started walking on the ground. But again in the next morning, the next day, the next day what happened? He was again led into a boat. See, first he came into the truck with the 2 campers. Yes. The next morning what the campers did? They made him to led into the boat. They made him to climb the boat again. The Chotu was in the boat. Boat andre ಏನು? ಹಡಗು. Yes? Yes. The Chotu was led into a boat. A very big boat. How was that boat? That boat was very big in size. Not a small boat. The boat was very big in size, children. And before he could walk out, the boat's engine started with a loud horn. Then when the Chotu he wanted to walk outside the boat, suddenly the boat engine started a loud horn. Horn means the sound, siren. Yes, whenever you go in a boat or in a ship, then you can't travel, children. What you have to do? You have to wait for the sound to the engine. It doesn't start. One of the person will start it, and when he starts, it gives the siren. Yes or no? It gives the siren and it will start moving in the water. The boat or the ship will start moving in the water. Same like that only. The next morning, Chotu was led into the boat, and then as he wanted to walk outside, suddenly the boat started. The engine started with a loud horn. Poor Chotu, he was very uncomfortable. Then when the boat started moving in the water, then the Chotu was not comfortable in that ship, in that boat. He was very uncomfortable. Uncomfortable andre ಏನು? ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. He was feeling, I am not walking, I am not moving, sitting here only. So Chotu was very much uncomfortable sitting in the boat. He could only see water all around him. Yes, as the boat started moving, children, you can see here, Chotu was only seeing the water. Yes, yeah, you can see, children, this. See here. Yes, he was very uncomfortable. He could only see the water all around him, everywhere. See, at the center there is a boat, and all around, everywhere there is a water, and the boat is in between the sea. And here you can see there is a Chotu in the boat. You can see the image here. What you can find here? The ship is in the center of the sea, children. Yes, and the boat is moving in the water, and Chotu is led into the boat, where else he wanted to get down and walk on the ground, but he couldn't do, and he is seeing everywhere there is a water around him, children. Yes, yes, children. So he could only see water around him. He was in the boat for 2 days and 2 nights. So how many days did Chotu spend in the boat? 2 days and 2 nights. He was staying in the boat for 2 days and 2 nights. He did not eat anything. He spent most of his time sleeping. Then Chotu, he was very much scared. They are not leaving him down on the ground to walk. They are taking him somewhere. First they brought them in the truck, and they made him to climb down to the ground. And from there, they again shifted him in the ship. And the ship is moving in the water. So Chotu was thinking, where these are taking me? Where am I going? Then Chotu, he did not eat anything, or he did not drink, and he did not sleep in the boat for 2 days or 2 nights. He did not eat anything. He spent most of his time sleeping. Then most of his time, he did not eat a single thing in the boat, whatever was given to him. He spent his whole time only in sleeping only. On the 3rd morning, Chotu could see land. He was happy. The boat reached land. Chotu was gently let off the boat and again put on a truck. Then what happened? The 3rd morning now. This was the 3rd morning, and 3rd morning Chotu could see the land. ಮೂರನೇ ದಿನ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಕಾಂತು. Yes, the Chotu, it saw the land. The Chotu sees the land on the 3rd day. Then when the Chotu saw the land, the Chotu was very happy. The Chotu was very happy. The boat reached land. Why the Chotu was very happy? Because he says the boat reached the land now. Chotu was gently let off the boat and again put on a truck. Yes. First they made him to get down from the boat. Then the Chotu came on the land. Again what they did? Again they made Chotu to let into the truck. Again they shifted him in the truck once again. There was a lot of noise in this place. Chotu did not like the noise. Yes, when Chotu got down from the boat, and again when he was shifted in the truck, then there was more noise in that place. Bala galate ittu alli. But Chotu did not like the noise. He was not liking the noise. Then what happened? After a little while, the truck stopped at an animal park. Chotu was happy to see grass and green again, trees again. So what happened? Then after a little while, when they shifted him in the truck, they went for the short distance in the truck, and there the truck stopped again. When the truck stopped there, Chotu saw the animals park. Yes, where the truck stopped, children? The truck stopped at the animals park, that is called as zoo. What we call? We call it as a zoo. Chotu was happy to see grass and trees again. Once again, when Chotu got down from the truck and he came on the land, then he was very happy to see the grass, hullu, and then the trees. He wanted to see the trees where there are more green leaves. So when he saw the grass and the trees, he became very happy again. Chotu knew that this was his new home. And Chotu came to know that this area is my new home. This place is my new home. Which place? The zoo. The zoo is the place that he is saying it is the new home for Chotu. He knew he had traveled far from his family. He had a very nice keeper at the park. Then Chotu realized, now I have come very far away from my family. Now my family is not with me. I am alone. So he says the zoo is the place which it says that it is my new home now. Chotu knew that this was his new home. He knew he had traveled far from his family. He says, now I cannot meet my family because I have come very far away from my family. He had a very nice keeper at the park. Then Chotu says, Chotu is thinking that I have a very good person with me who takes a good care of me in the park. Yes, he had a very nice keeper at the park. Yes, Chotu says, they have left me in this zoo and here is the man who is taking very good care of me. He is called a keeper. Yes. Chotu is no longer Chotu now. Many children come to visit him. He is busy from morning to night entertaining them. Now as the days passed in the zoo, the Chotu when it had come to the zoo, it was very small. Then as the days pass, the Chotu grows. Yes, the Chotu becomes very big. Yes, after some days, the Chotu becomes very big and many children come to visit him. Many children come to see the Chotu in the zoo. He is busy from morning to evening entertaining them. Yes, even you people when you see elephant, you sit on that and you go and come one round. Camel, elephant, horse and all, when it comes to your house, you people go or no children? Same like that only. In the zoo, whoever the children used to come, he used to entertain them. He used to take them, he used to go for a round. So whole day Chotu was very busy entertaining the children. And like this way Chotu completed his journey. And at last he did not meet his family and he was left in the zoo with the campers. So this was the short lesson that I have completed for you people. You can see the image here children, how Chotu was entertaining the children in the campus. Yes. Here. You can see this. Yes, this is the image where Chotu was entertaining the campus. This is the zoo children. You can see here lion is there, here bear is there, here giraffe is there. All different types of animals are there. So Chotu, this is the Chotu. Yes, this animal is Chotu. This elephant is called as Chotu children. Yes. In this way, Chotu was enjoying in the zoo, entertaining the children who visit him. So once I will read this lesson children, you keep the finger and underline all the words written on the board children. Yes. One day a baby elephant was born in a forest. He was really tiny. His mother Rani named him Chotu. Chotu was very small. All his brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts took good care of him. They all made sure that he was never left alone. However, one day he got lost. His family was going to the river bank to have a mud bath and drink water. The river was very far. They had to cross many small brooks and thick clusters of trees to reach the river. Chotu felt hungry. He stopped to eat grass, and when he had eaten his fill, he looked up. He could not see anyone. He walked left. He walked right. He went round and round the grassland, but he could not see his family. Chotu started to cry. Two campers saw Chotu. They felt sorry for Chotu. They gently guided him to their camp. Chotu followed them everywhere. He became their pet, but they could not keep Chotu with them forever. They did not want to leave him alone in the forest also. Thus began his long journey to the zoo. Chotu was led into the big truck. He was scared. He had never seen anything like this before. One camper sat in the back with him after many hours on the road. The truck stopped, and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. But the next morning, he was again led into a boat, a very big boat. And before he could walk out, the boat engine started with a loud roar. Poor Chotu, he was very uncomfortable. He could only see water all around him. He was in the boat for 2 days and 2 nights. He did not eat anything. He spent most of his time sleeping. On the third morning, Chotu could see land. He was happy. The boat reached land. Chotu was gently led off the boat and again put on a truck. There was a lot of noise in this place. Chotu did not like the noise. After a little while, the truck stopped at an animal park. Chotu was happy to see grass and tree again. Chotu knew that this was his new home. He knew he had traveled far from his family. He had a very nice keeper at the park. Chotu is no longer Chotu now. Many children come to visit him. He is busy from morning to night entertaining them. So this was a small lesson, children. I have completed for you people, and I have written some of the words on the board. You can mark this board and write the words. Read also and write also 3 times. Thank you, children. Have a great day.